So, from the title of this video, you should understand that this is about the new shoulder camera that Suzuki had on. In the comments down below, leave your opinion on, do you think it's a cool thing? Do you think it's good for the racing? Do you think it's good for the TV side of things? Whatever it is, leave your comment down below. And if you didn't see or don't know what I'm talking about, during the test at Portimao, Suzuki and specifically Alex Rins had a camera mounted in his race leathers in the upper left-hand corner of his, or in the shoulder, upper left shoulder. And I'm going to include a little bit of the video that they posted, or that I found posted on Twitter for it. So you can see exactly what his left hand's doing. You can see right when he's using the rear hole shot device, or whatever you want to call it, the rear anti-drag device, whatever it is. And you can see everything that he's doing. And personally, I think it's a really cool view. Could they technically set it up that you could see it in real time like they do with the rear cameras? Who knows, because then the person has to be attached to the bike somehow, or you've got to carry a battery pack and a transmitter for it. I don't know if that would ever work, but I think it's neat. Purely on the side of being like interested in how racing works and how people move, and being able to actually see the lean angle and, you know, body positioning, and actually having to work the motorcycle from like first-hand footage, kind of like this my chest mount footage. You can see just how far off those riders are leaning at the speeds, how close they are to the ground, everything. It's another angle. It's a different perspective on what's going on than just seeing the big TV cameras from far away and being like, oh yeah, they're going fast, but like that really shows just how fast they're going and how much effort they're putting in. But on the other side of things, Bagnaia said something. He commented about it that he didn't want quote right here. It was interesting to see the secret of Suzuki's bikes. I saw their level to use the rear device too, also the dashboard. It was interesting. Obviously, probably either weird translation or something, but he's not wrong. He said he didn't want to ride. Wouldn't like to ride one because it gives teams more information about, you know, who knows when you're doing things, how you're doing things, what RPM range, whatever, a whole bunch of things. And obviously, teams are really good at deciphering and picking out little scraps of information about other bikes and when they're better, when they're worse, and whatever. But if you want to read the actual article, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And like I said, somewhere in here I'd posted I think it's like 30-second clip of the actual riding footage. But again, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it doesn't matter? Do you think it's something that's good or bad, and why? So personally, I think it's cool. Again, because I enjoy racing and I enjoy seeing, you know, all the bits and bobs and behind the scenes and everything from it. So I think it adds something to it. It's not just watching it on a big camera and seeing them go by. It's sort of the feeling of what they're actually doing. But again, tell me what you think. Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Please enjoy the video. Peace.